Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create recurring tasks in Todoist. Todoist is a powerful and easy to use task management tool that helps individuals organize their daily work, personal goals and the long-term projects in one place. And it is used by the millions of people worldwide to plan tasks, set priorities and build productive routines. Todoist work on laptops, mobile phones and tablets, keeping all the tasks synchronized across the devices. So first what you can do is you need to open any of the web browser, and after that on the top there you can see the search bar, type down todoist.com and enter it. Over here, once you reach into this interface, and make sure to log into your Todoist account if you already have not so. So over here, to create a recurring task, you can click on any add task or the press Q key over here and it automatically opens to the add task, and you can simply type the name of the task, for example morning. Next, add the recurring due date by typing the repeating phrase in the due date field directly into the task name. Over here you can set any of the dates or the due dates if you want. You can also use the phrases, and after that you can select to this add task. Todoist creates the task and schedule it to repeat automatically. Each time you complete the task, Todoist will generate the next recurrence based on the schedule you set. Recurring tasks in Todoist help automate routine activities and reduce the need to recreate the same task again and again. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to create recurring tasks in Todoist. If you have any trouble or question, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.